Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can add extensions to the Comet AI web browser in 2025. So let us dive into this. Step number 1, open or launch the Comet AI web browser. Step number 2, click into that icon in the top right corner. Step number 3, hover your mouse over extensions and select manage extensions here. Inside your extensions center, guys, you will see all extensions that have already been installed and added to the Comet AI web browser. Now here you may manage them, of course, turn them on, turn them off, etc, etc. If you'd like to add a new extension to that list, all you need to do is click into the Chrome Web Store, because as you can see, Comet is using basically the same interface Google Chrome is using, which is, if I recall correctly, Chromium. So you will be redirected to the Chrome Web Store, and from here, guys, simply navigate to extensions in the top left, select your category here to the left, like tools, for instance. After that, find the tool you would like to install. Like, for example, I don't know, let me go with that one here, that QR code generator. Click into it, and after that, simply use that button like you do on Google Chrome. In this case here, it is called Add to Comet. Click into it, confirm by clicking into Add Extensions if you're really content or ready to install the given extension. And after that, you'll be automatically redirected to, or at least in most cases, to an information page of the given extension, giving you instructions and further details. If you don't see that, you may simply see the notification that the extension has been added to your list of extensions here. So you may either navigate back to your extension center here and remove or turn off the given extension, or alternatively, guys, if you're already browsing here on Comet AI, you may use these extensions and access them through that extensions icon in the top right next to the URL address, and from there navigate through your installed extensions, pin them to the toolbar here, or remove them, or manage them from there. So guys, that's basically it. You may also use them by clicking into them. That's how it works in practice, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.